Hey, just wanted to check in with you. Now that we are officially in this transaction and we've got things going, a lot of times I get the next question, okay, what about the appraisal? When does that happen? So we want to get the appraisal done right away for you. In order for you to do that, you will need to pay for the appraisal up front. This isn't something that we can push off to the end because it's part of the process and it is part of the upfront cost, but you do get credit for it. So what I need for you to do is you'll receive a link that will ask you to pay for the appraisal and the application fee. So go ahead and get that done right away. Once you do it, I'll get notification and we will get right on ordering that appraisal for you. Now, the importance of the appraisal, though, is that it tells the value of the home that you're purchasing, and we need to know the value in order for this loan to go through. So we want to look at the value of the homes that are around yours, the ones that have just recently sold or closed in your area, because we want to make sure that value is there. It also looks at things like safety and other issues too, but we're really going just to make sure that this home is what you need it to be worth. And you will get a copy of this appraisal once everything is done. So go ahead, log in. If you've got any other questions about the appraisal process or anything that you're going through, feel free to give me a call. Thanks.